Good afternoon, everybody. I had my first ever real USPSA competition last Saturday. This video was taken on Friday. I figured my shooting was about as good as it was going to get, but I wanted to get a couple good reps in, working on movement and alternate starting positions like hands on the wall and gun unloaded, as well as getting some reps in with my brand new belt. The competition went pretty good. I got second place in my division and about halfway through the pack overall. Not too shabby for my first go around. More importantly, I had a great time hanging out in the sunshine with my girlfriend, and I got to meet some great guys who had some good advice for future competitions. I really look forward to my next time out. Thanks for stopping by. I hope you enjoy the video. Have to reload it. I can reload.
I think it just goes. Burn it down, Ted.
Shooter ready. Stand by. Okay, finish. Unload and show clear. If clear, slide forward, hammer down, and holster. Range is clear.
Joe, are you ready?
Yep.
Stand by. If you're finished, unload, show clear. Unload,
Fuck.
Unload. You understand the course of fire?
I think so.
Joe, are you ready?
Yep.
Stand by.
Oh shit. So this is the screw up that cost me first place in my division. I realized I had failed to engage a target but couldn't figure out which one. After reviewing the match scores, if I would have just locked and cleared and stopped the timer, I could have afforded to lose the 10 points because I was so far ahead. But the time took me down. That's all right. You live and you learn.